This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. The mood of cautious optimism continues to prevail in the markets on Wednesday as several countries have begun or are preparing to ease their lockdown measures. Hopes that shuttered businesses will soon be able to reopen their doors has sparked a relief rally in risk assets, although there are signs that the current positivity has reached its limits as stocks appear to be plateauing and most major pairs have been trading sideways over the past month. Even the US dollar's retreat this week has been fairly modest, underlining the huge uncertainty about the outlook. The immediate focus, though, is on the advanced first quarter GDP readings for the U.S. economy and the Federal Reserve's first regular meeting since January. U.S. GDP likely contracted at the steepest rate since 2009 during the Great Recession. Given that the data will only get worse in the second quarter, it makes it all the harder for the Fed to provide a timeline on how long its emergency policies will remain in place. But markets will nevertheless try to get a sense of where the Fed thinks the economy is headed and whether additional emergency measures are on the cards. The Australian dollar has surged by 6.5% this month, making it the best performing major currency. The Aussie's latest stretch upwards has been fueled by the number of new virus cases in Australia falling to the tens, leading investors to reassess the impact of the pandemic on the Australian economy. Looser lockdown restrictions are also boosting the euro, along with expectations that the European Central Bank will tomorrow announce an increase in the size of its pandemic emergency asset purchases. After plunging at the start of the week, oil prices have reversed sharply higher, with WTI futures soaring by about 13% today. The turnaround came after U.S. oil inventories rose by less than expected last week. But with Brent futures expiring on Thursday, further volatility is anticipated before the week is out. In equity markets, most major indices were in the green but lacked momentum. Wall Street is expected to open higher ahead of big earnings from Amazon.com and Microsoft. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.